Good morning kabayan. Ayan, dito naman tayo sa Force Group. Gangway watch kung diskarga kami ng silicone. Dangerous cargo. Another day. After nito, next cargo namin timber. Napakalaking dump truck. So nagsimula kami ng 7 AM yung discharging. Ngayon may gangway watch kami kasi may inspector na darating. Mamaya pupunta na kami sa bodega for cleaning cargo hold. Yun, good shipping lang daw kasi timber naman sunod. Yun kabayan, ito yung duties and responsibilities namin dito sa Force Group sa barko, general cargo, and we just follow the order of the captain, and this is one of our job description here in the vessel. So far so good. It's 8 AM but still dark kasi winter na dito sa Norway. Kung gusto nyo magluto, punta kayo dun sa taas, may libreng ukong apoy.